Hey, thanks for joining me. This video is part of my Squarespace pre-launch checklist series. So if you don't have that checklist and you are launching a Squarespace website, click below in the description to grab it and continue to watch the videos in the Squarespace pre-launch playlist. In this video, I'm going to show you how to edit your site title. Okay, we are here in my Scribe template for authors. If you're an author and you need a website, check out my template shop in the description below. And in this video, like I said, I'm going to show you how to edit the site title. Right now, that site title is Scribe. Now, even if you are loading an image here for a logo, make sure that you set the site title. It's used throughout your website for SEO purposes. So it's important to make sure that you name it your name or your business name, whatever the website is for. So we're going to click Edit and then roll over the header, click Edit Site Header, and then we're just going to click here on the left-hand side where it says Site Title and Logo, and then I'll click the pencil icon. And you'll see here is the field for site title. Go ahead and type in your new site title. So this would be, you can just put in my name, if I could spell it right, and click off and then click save, and I have updated my website title. Okay, that's it for editing your site title. If you are working on a Squarespace website, grab that pre-launch checklist in the description below and follow along in my YouTube playlist, Squarespace Pre-Launch Checklist. Thanks for watching, and I wish you all the best with your website.